Eye exercises are a wonderful way to help balance the sixth chakra while strengthening and increasing the flexibility of the eye muscles. These can be done in a seated position, so feel free to elevate the hips. We'll start with the eyes open, tracing a line along the horizon left-right 3 times, up-down 3 times, and then in a circle clockwise 3 times and counterclockwise 3 times. Okay, let's begin. I'll lead you through an entire round of eye exercises. So closing the eyes, allow a deep breath in, sitting tall, and exhale it out of the body. Open the eyes. Let's begin. Slowly sweep the eyes to the right along the horizon until the eyes get all the way to the edge of the eye crease. You should see the shadow. And then slowly sweeping through the center all the way to the left side of the eye socket until you see the shadow. And then breathe here, slowly sweeping through the center all the way to the right, watching that the jaw is not tensing or tongue or neck, and then sweeping all the way back to the left. Good. Relax the shoulders, neck, hands, and feet. Breathe and sweeping back slowly through the center, all the way to the right. Good. And keeping the breath nice and steady as you sweep all the way back to the left. And then slowly return the eyes to the center. Close just for a break here. Breathe in, and as you exhale, open the eyes. We'll start by sweeping the eyes all the way up overhead without lifting the chin at all. And then slowly let the eyes sweep downwards towards the floor without dropping the chin at all. We'll do that again, coming slowly back through center, all the way up to the top of the eye crease where we see that shadow. And then breathing easily as we swing it back down, all the way to the lower eye crease. Let's do it one more time. Sweeping the eyes slowly up, not locking your gaze on any one thing, keeping that gaze nice and broad, and then sweeping it back through the center, all the way down into the eye crease. And then return the eyes to center and close. Breathe in and exhale, opening the eyes. Now we'll start by lifting the eyes all the way up to 12 o'clock, and we'll go clockwise to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all the way up, and again the second circle. Keep going around all the way down to 6, all the way out to 9, keeping in the shadow of the eye socket. And we'll circle around one more time, around 360 degrees, until we get back up to 12. We'll return the eyes to face forward, close the eyes, breathe in, and exhale. Open the eyes again. Let's take the eyes up to 12, and we'll go counterclockwise to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to 12, and going around counterclockwise again, down all the way to 6, and sweeping out to 3, all the way back up, trying to stay in the shadow of the eye socket throughout the entirety of the circle, all the way back up to 12. Come back to center, looking ahead, and close your eyes. And then we'll clap the hands together once, and then rub them vigorously together to get some heat. And then when you've got some, place the palms over the eye sockets. Inhale, drink in that heat. And then exhale out any tension out the back of your head. Do that again. Inhale, receive the heat. Exhale it out the back of the head. And then once again, inhale, exhale any tension, and slowly release the arms down to your legs, feeling the benefits of your eye exercises. And slowly open the eyes. Great work.